Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. It's time to get the cladding on the hut. I was looking forward to getting this done. It's far from complete, but I think as soon as the cladding goes up it starts to look like it should. I'm using treated feather edge cladding for this. Where the boards would meet in the corners of the hut it wouldn't look very neat and you need a way to join them together nicely. So the solution I've decided to give a go is to get a square bit of stock and then add bits to either side of it to go around the corner. I know I've explained that terribly, but hopefully you'll be able to see from the video what I mean. The two side bits are going to be the battens that the cladding is actually nailed onto, and the square pieces between the two battens will go right in the corner of the hut and should be the same thickness as the cladding itself. I had a look at how other people have solved this problem, and what they tend to do is put a batten on the end, but it means on one side you've got a longer piece and on one side you've got a shorter piece, and I wanted something more symmetrical. So obviously I made 4 of these for all 4 corners, and then they can just be screwed into place because the screws are going to go through the battens, which will later be covered in the cladding so you won't see them. With the corners all done, I could add some battens to the side. I tried to space them so they were going into the 2x3 supports. Fortunately, I couldn't buy cladding long enough to do a whole side in one run. To get the spacing between the cladding correct, I made a little jig. It hooked onto the bottom of the previous run, and then the next piece of cladding could sit on top of it. It was particularly easy to do at the bottom where I started, because I could actually use a clamp and clamp it onto the chassis. As I worked further up, I could no longer do this. And I'll say it again, one more hand would have been very helpful to be able to hold the jig, hold the board, and the hammer. If I was going to do this a few more times, it would definitely be worth investing in a nail gun. It would speed it up, make it easier to use two-handed, and I think it'd actually make less noise. There are a few bits that are a bit more complicated, like around the doors and the windows. So I marked out the bits that need to be removed, and then I can remove the waste with the jigsaw. And it fits like a glove. That's it all done for now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.